Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best closet kits in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Rubbermaid Configurations Deluxe Closet Kit. Previously named our best budget pick, this kit from the Rubbermaid Configurations line has edged into the best overall spot due to its versatility, adjustability, and reliability. If you're organizing your bedroom closet and want a system that accommodates rows of hangers alongside bins of sweaters, redesigning a guest room closet to store linens and bedding, or revamping a kid's space with an eye for growth like our at-home tester, this set can easily meet your needs. It handles spaces between 3 and 6 feet, and other sizes are offered, too, and works in a reach-in or walk-in closet. All of these features come at a fair price point, making it a great value, too. However, if you find yourself in need of additional parts down the road, you won't have to purchase an entirely new set. The installation process is straightforward too, though it's possible you'll find yourself in need of extra hardware like our tester, but aside from that, it'll likely be smooth sailing. No closet kit is perfect, and in this kit's case, the shelves do have weight limits. Our product tester noted that they bowed under the weight of their kids' block collection. The plethora of configuration options may also leave those who prefer thorough instructions for every step of the installation process wanting more guidance for shelf placement. Despite these minor issues, our tester still dubbed it a standout among wire closet organizers, and gave it a stellar 4.7-star overall rating. We believe that it's an excellent choice for an all-around kit that will elevate a variety of closets throughout your home. Number 2. Our second best pick is Rubbermaid Expandable Closet Shelf Kit. This is another offering from the Configurations line, which has previously demonstrated excellence in the spruce's testing and research. This set of shelves, rods, and racks can be positioned as a slim 24-inch tower of storage, or a shorter and wider 48-inch version. We love the versatility of this set, and see it working well for linen closets, laundry storage, and bedroom closets in need of additional shelving that won't overwhelm. As beloved as this closet system is, keep in mind that it's not as dense as wood versions, it's also not as bulky, which may be considered an added benefit. When we tested a similar model, this type of shelf bowed under high weight. Despite this limitation, the Rubbermaid Configurations line has proven itself time and time again, which is why we don't hesitate to heartily recommend it for small spaces. Designed for better organization and maximizing space. This 2 to 4 feet kit includes closet shelving and rods that adjust for a custom fit. Fit everything from shoes and clothes in the closet or mudroom, to storage boxes and tools in the garage or basement. Number 3. Our third best pick is ClosetMaid's 60-inch W96W wire closet organizer kit. This fixed-mount closet organizer kit from ClosetMaid is just what you need if you're overwhelmed by adjustable and customizable options. With a sleek and simple design that prioritizes shelf and hanging space, plus an added shoe rack that will keep your favorite footwear off the floor, it gives you lots of open and flexible space that's perfect for bin and basket storage. Plus, the price rivals that of our best budget choice. It's worth mentioning that this set doesn't include standalone rods, rather the wire shelves have a lower rack that can hold hangers underneath. This design means your clothes will end up in separate sections for some. This could be a benefit and bonus organizational feature, though others may be annoyed by not being able to push hangers more than a few inches. The other downside is that, unlike many closet kits out there, these shelves are not adjustable. Still, we think it's more than worth the investment and will likely be the simple, elegant solution many closets need. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ClosetMaid Closet Maximizer. The aesthetically pleasing, cost-effective Closet Maximizer from ClosetMaid gives you more than 8 feet of shelving, and up to 24.5 extra inches of rod space, while still smartly utilizing your existing rod or upper wire shelving. It offers solid laminate wood shelving, so garments won't catch or snag on wire. Its 4 shelves are positioned 12.5 inches apart, so they comfortably hold bins, stacks of clothes, or loose items. It's also extremely versatile. You can clip it onto your upper closet shelf or existing rod, and easily remove it for use in another closet. However, while we like the practicality of this design, it may be a disadvantage for some who prefer a more secure setup, or who are looking specifically for solutions that can maximize upper space in their closet. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Honey Can Do Freestanding Open Wardrobe. With 4 built-in wire storage baskets, solid shelving, a garment rod, and both upper and lower slatted shelves that match the entire width of the piece, the two-tone Honey Can Do Freestanding Open Wardrobe is a polished and practical choice that you can use in your closet or against an empty wall. We especially like how the garment rod is positioned high enough to comfortably hold long dresses or jackets, and how the slatted shelf design gives you a peek-a-boo view of what you're storing up above and serves as great shoe storage below. While the slats may not be everyone's preference since small items will need a separate bin or basket, and the freestanding nature of the design is less stable than wall units, it's still a worthy piece to consider if you're not interested in or able to install a full kit. It's also a breeze to assemble thanks to the included shelf clips, and can be done tool-free by one person. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.